friends! Valentine's Day is almost here, and today I'm sharing some super cute and delicious DIY treats perfect for spreading the love! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell so you never miss a sweet idea. Did you know you can make delicious Valentine's Day treats with simple, nutrient-packed ingredients? Let's make some fun chocolate-inspired recipes! Dark chocolate-dipped orange slices. Dark chocolate has antioxidants, and oranges are full of vitamin C. Oatmeal cocoa bites, oats, cocoa powder, and sunflower seed butter make a fiber-rich, nut-free treat. Avocado chocolate pudding. Blend avocados with cocoa powder for a creamy, nutrient-packed dessert. All right, it's time for quiz time. What makes dark chocolate a good choice? A. It has antioxidants. B. It has extra sugar. Correct answer is A. It has antioxidants. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. It generally has less sugar than milk chocolate, making it a healthier option. What fruit pairs well with dark chocolate? A. Onions. B. Oranges. Correct answer is B. Oranges. Oranges and dark chocolate complement each other perfectly, with the citrusy zest balancing the rich, bitter flavor of dark chocolate. What does cocoa powder add to oatmeal bites? A. Fiber and antioxidants. B. Sodium. Cocoa powder adds both fiber and antioxidants, making oatmeal bites more nutritious and delicious without adding any sodium. Why is avocado used in pudding? A. It makes it creamy and adds nutrients. B. It makes it crunchy. Correct answer is A. It makes it creamy and adds nutrients. Avocados make pudding creamy due to their healthy fats. What's a fun way to shape fruit for Valentine's Day? A. Using heart-shaped cookie cutters. B. Squishing it in your hands. Correct answer is A. Using heart-shaped cookie cutters. Using heart-shaped cookie cutters is a fun way to make fruit more festive for Valentine's Day and adds a creative touch to your snacks. Which nut-free ingredient can replace peanut butter? A. Ketchup. B. Sunflower seed butter. Correct answer is B. Sunflower seed butter. Sunflower seed butter is a great nut-free alternative to peanut butter, offering similar texture and flavor without any nuts. Why are oats a great ingredient? A. They melt. B. They provide fiber. Correct answer is B. They provide fiber. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. What can you sprinkle on chocolate-dipped fruit? A. Or salt. B. Crushed nuts or seeds. Correct answer is B. Crushed nuts or seeds add a delightful crunch and extra nutrients when sprinkled on chocolate-dipped fruit. Before we dive into more fun Valentine's Day ideas, I've got something exciting to share with you all. If you're loving these DIY treats and want even more sweet inspiration, check out my Valentine's Day workbook and recipe book. Which fruit naturally tastes sweet in treats? A. Bananas. B. Lemons. Correct answer is A. Bananas are naturally sweet, making them perfect for healthy treats, while lemons are more sour and tangy. What is a fun way to decorate Valentine's Day snacks? A. Drizzling melted dark chocolate. B. Sprinkling salt. correct answer is A. Drizzling melted dark chocolate adds a festive and delicious touch to any Valentine's Day treat, while salt would be too savory for this occasion. Who knew making chocolate treats could be so fun and simple? If you try one of these recipes, share your experience in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Until next time, keep creating, keep tasting, and keep having fun!